Viterbi students are demonstrating what the future of technology could look like. The USC Makers Club held its fall showcase, giving students the opportunity to debut their latest innovations in electronics and robotics that they created throughout the semester. This year's inventions included everything from an autonomous cubic BB-8 droid to a fully automated 3D printing pipeline. Congratulations to the USC Quest Club. The student club for LGBTQ+ STEM majors took part in the OSTEM National Conference in Boston last month. USC's chapter president won Chapter Leader of the Year, and 2 club members walked away with internship offers. USC Viterbi is bringing together innovators in India. Dean Yanis Yurtsos joined alumni, scholars, and entrepreneurs for a joint lecture series with Viterbi-Axilor Ventures in the Indian Tech Hub of Bengaluru. The event is an annual tech symposium to share new advances in science, technology, and engineering in order to push new ideas forward. USC Viterbi professor Megan McCain is the lead researcher in a project that engineered a heart attack on a chip. So why is this so important? Well, heart disease is America's #1 killer. As this article on our website explains, the new device helps researchers understand how cells in the heart change after a heart attack and can be used as a test bed to develop new drugs. That's all for this week. For more information on these stories and more, just head to our website, viterbi.usc.edu.